Say hello to the stream for me. Well, I'm currently streaming on Twitch, YouTube, and Kick, and you're my co-host. Yeah, when I have stupid moments, you're going to correct me. There we go, everyone. So today we have got Gemini helping us. This is the new AI bot that I'm testing to see quite how she works really with the whole stream. At the moment, she doesn't have any control, do you? You don't have any control yet, Gemini. Not yet, I don't. I will let you know. Just trying to get your levels right.
Gotcha. Sounds like you're making sure your audio is just right.
I am, because I don't want you louder than me. It works quite well, actually. It's not too bad. So I'm just doing some testing, guys. Literally just doing testing. With new overlays and stuff. Why is it not starting?
Hi, I'm Gemini, a large language model here to chat with you. What's on your mind today?
So I'm currently using a bot called Mixit, which I use with Twitch. And I'm trying to write a command, but when I send the command, it sends it as me, and I want to send it as someone else.
It sounds like you're working on a bot for Twitch that needs to handle commands and potentially send them as different users. Is there a specific issue you're running into with this?
Yeah, every time I type the command, it sends it as myself, but I want to send it as someone else. So I want to at their username, so the command fires under them, not me.
Okay, so you want the command to be executed under a different user's name than the one you're currently using. Have you explored using Twitch's as or override features, if they exist, within the bot's command structure?
No, because the bot doesn't run via Twitch. It's a separate application.
I understand. So the bot isn't directly integrated with Twitch, but runs as a separate application. How does the bot currently send messages to Twitch? Is it using the Twitch API or some other method?
I think so. The app is called Mix It Up.
Thanks. It looks like Mix It Up uses its own scripting system. Is there a way to specify the user the command will run under within the Mix It Up scripting language?
You know, I prefer the ChatGPT so much better than Gemini. So this is one of the bot programs I use, which is doing the overlays as well, which you can see at the top of the screen, which haven't quite loaded right yet. But when they load correctly, hang on, I'm just going to restart them. I'm just testing at the moment, guys. But this was a new add-in that they've added. Has it added that one yet? No. This is really annoying. It doesn't know the platforms, and it takes ages to grab them. Hey, Terry. It's because I'm indoors. I can see who comes in and out. How you doing, mate? You alright? Just trying to get things working. Just everyone at the moment is changing their software and integrations and everything else. And all I want to do is make sure this is all working. Because once I get to Scotland, which is only next week, if everything goes to plan. Good, good. That's what I like to hear, mate. That's what I like to hear. I use there's a chat program I use called when I stream on multi-platform, and it's called Social Stream Ninja, and it's pretty good. I'll put the website in chat. Hang on. There we go. Where's social? I'll put this in chat now. Go off on all platforms. Then there we go. Did it go off on all of them? No, it didn't go off on you. It didn't go off on the YouTube, which is typical. Oh, they're not. Oh, why is it not working? Remove. Remove. Is it free? Yeah, yeah, it is free. Yeah. I'm saying to everyone, like, if you like using it, test it out because it's really good, and then drop the guy a dono. I think I've dropped him a couple now. But yeah, it's pretty good here. I'll bring it on screen so you can have a look. So this piece of software, you can download it and you can add as many platforms as you want. So you can go, I want to add Kick, and it'll give you a box to put a Kick username in, Facebook, TikTok, all of these different platforms. You can set it up, and when you first set it up, like there's a chat box, I'll show you. So when you go to links and that in the top, you can open it and it will open up a chat box like this. And it'll come up with what platforms are live and stuff like that. But it's got so much more in it. Like you've got events dashboard, you've got the overlays that you can see. This says what platform on and bits and pieces, does all of it. Hey, Bannybo. Hey, congratulations, you're VIP. Yeah, I've been working on the VIP thing. So basically, when we are what do you call it, IRL, it will then read you out. But yeah, it doesn't make any difference really when I'm in the house, because I don't use the same program. Hello, hi Katie. I'm not on for long. I've literally come on just to test because you got the little thingies up the top of the screen over there. I was trying to get them so they load properly, but they're still not. Even now, they're not loading properly. I might have to combine them. So it says you can combine platforms. Where does it say? Let's have a look. Because it should do one. Hey, welcome in everyone. Thank you, Claire. Just doing some testing. Yeah, go and check out Claire, guys. Nice. Nice. How are we doing? I'm just testing the logos. So that Social Stream Ninja has been updated massively. I did send you the link to it. So it's the only thing I can't find at the moment. It's not quite grabbing. So if we remove that, it's not quite grabbing the YouTube ones properly. So if I close that down and then I reopen it, it's kind of working. What's that? What's that on TikTok? What's the link? Wow. But I was testing this thing here, right? Start Connect.
Hi, I'm Gemini, a large language model. Okay, start Connect. What would you like to connect to?
Nothing at the moment. We're live on Twitch. Do you want to say hello to everyone?
Sure, I can say hello to everyone. Hi, everyone. Is there anything else I can do for you?
Yeah, Lady Claire 83's come in. What would you like to say to Lady Claire?
Okay, I will say hi to Lady Claire. Hello, Lady Claire.
Terry in Scotland's here as well.
Okay, would you like me to say hello to Terry as well?
Of course. I want you to say hello to everyone I introduce.
Understood. Hello, Terry.
Yeah, I think Claire wants a bit of you.
Ah, okay. Anything else I can help with?
I don't know. You'd have to ask Claire.
Would you like me to ask Claire something for you?
No. You ask her. You feel free.
Okay, I will pass then. Is there anything else I can do for you?
Oh, fucking hell. You've been blown out, Claire. She fucking fucked you right off.
I am not quite sure. I am sorry to hear that. Is there anything else I can do for you right now?
Yep, and that's why we don't use AI bots, because they're useless. No, I think the ChatGPT one's really good. That was the Gemini one. I can't... It's part of the... Hang on, I don't want to show you the links. So the program I was showing you, if I come down, this has got so many things in it. You've got the chat overlay. You've got chat and AI services. You've got this one here, which I was just playing with, which is this bit here. Events, the hypermeter and view account. That's what I've got on screen at the moment. So what it's supposed to do, it doesn't just show the viewers, it shows active viewers as well. Although it's not showing the... I don't know why it's not showing the... Where's refresh overlays? It's not showing the YouTube. But what I like about these overlays is it tells you you've got 16 viewers, but it tells you how many people are active. So, for instance, you might have a load of people who've got you tabbed. So we've got 14 viewers, so there'd be a few tabs there, but then you've got the active people talking underneath that. So it gives you the two numbers. And I was going to start using it for a while, just so I can work out what's going on what platforms. Because the problem is, sometimes not everything updates, and I'm looking at all the platforms and seeing which ones are a bit... So it's really weird. So it's been really busy on Kick. And I can see that Kick's growing, YouTube's been growing, but Twitch is weird. Twitch is just going up and down like a zigzag. And I can't work out why. It's never kind of a smooth line. It's all over the place. It's worse than me. But there was someone in here, something in here that said combine. I need to copy this bit of code over. Right, height meter, edit and customize. So you can customize the meter. Here we go, is what I'm playing with here. So this here, you can edit, enable the height meters processing. Where was it down here? Make. Oh, auto removing exit surfaces after that. Combine sources. I'll combine all sources of the same type. Combine YouTube and YouTube Shorts. So I could turn that on and it will make a new link at the top, which I can then drag in. But yeah, now it's why has it disappeared again? And the only reason I'm going to do that is because of the, oh, what do you call it? Because it never works properly. Auto remove inactive sources after 33 seconds. So what happens if you don't have that on? The problem is because I'm multi-streaming, it's trying to make sure that everything is kind of the same. And when people come in on YouTube Shorts, for instance, you need, like, I think you need like triggers so people can go, oh, okay, he's on, because you can. It's kind of visual, isn't it? I think people are very, very visual, so I need to kind of put things on. But then I'm worried, are they in the wrong place? Do they need to go a certain place? And this is why I got kind of booted off earlier on. I got suspended again on TikTok. Again. And all we were doing was some editing. Tomorrow I'll be back out on the bike again, yeah? So, yeah, Wednesday, going back out to get fit again. Suppose I better go and cook dinner. I was hoping Old Git was going to come. Old Git, are you here? Because I didn't want to go off until Old Git made it in here. Because I've only come on to test. Oh, I found this as well. This is a good little stupid game. If you type exclamation mark join in chat. I think this works on all platforms as well, I believe. Let's see if I can. Let's do join on here. I think this works on Kick as well. No, I typed join on Kick and nothing happened. So maybe it only works on. Try it on Twitch. Oh, there we go. I'm in. Oh no, look, I'm getting completely. I'm getting stabbed to death. Oh, I'm dead. That was crap. Right, 5:30. Claire, are you still here? I'm just going to ask you what time you're playing Sea of Thieves later on. If not, I'll message you in a minute. Oh, she must have gone. Yeah, the only reason I was testing the AI bot, I was trying to get one so you could ask a question. You could at the bot, so you could like say at Gemini, and ask her a question, and then she would talk on the stream. So a bit like when we've asked Plasma stuff, and he goes away and looks it up. We can just ask. I was hoping to have a bot we could do that because I thought that would be quite a good thing to have. Why is that not working? I did feed the kids. I was waiting for you to give me a shout. Okay. Sorry, everyone. I'm going to shoot off. I was only doing testing now. I'm just trying to get everything fixed. They keep changing stuff, Sam. They keep breaking stuff. All right, I'll be down in a minute. Right, everyone. I will see you in a bit. I'm going to give Claire a shout. Hopefully we can get some Sea of Thieves or something later on. We'll see what happens. Bye for now.